All right, here we come to the elevators at a parking garage in Raleigh, North Carolina, right near Wegmans. And before we ride, look at this. This is a shopping cart escalator. Wow, look at that. This is my first time I've ever seen a shopping cart escalator before. Look at that. You see the chains right there. See, look at that right there. See, that is going in the down position. Anyways, let's take a ride on these. These are ThyssenKrupp. Oh, here's one. These elevators were installed in 2019. These actually look well familiar to the one Andrew filmed with Evan and Aaron. You coming down?
Yes. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, have a good day. All right, let's listen to the motor going up. We're gonna get the other car. I'm not sure these are Endura or Endura MRL. Ooh, I thought I heard an escalator. All right, here's the other car. There's the new ThyssenKrupp logo right there. Anyways, this is the same cab like the other one. This is Midtown East. Beeps when you press the button. All right, there it goes. And that's it.